All right, boys and girls, today we are going to review telling time, do a few elapsed time problems together, and then you will have a few slides to do on your own. You will tell me what time it is on the clocks, and you will tell me the elapsed time or the start time or the end time. So let's go ahead and let's practice a few on our own or together. Here I see a clock. I know that the shorthand is my hour hand, and I know that the longhand is my minute hand. When we're looking at our hour hand, we know we can use the large numbers on the clock. So when I look here at my shorthand, I see that it is past the 8, but it is not quite to the 9 yet. So this tells me that it is 8 o'clock. Now, the easiest way to count our minutes is to count by 5s and then count our small tick marks. So I start at the 12, which is 0. We have 5, 10, 15, 20. This is 21, 22. So this clock shows me 8:22. All right, let's look at this clock. Again, I see my shorthand. My shorthand is pointing directly to the 12. So it is 12 o'clock. Now, counting our minutes, I can't go to 5, so I need to just count my small ticks. And it stops the first tick, which that means this clock shows me 12:01. All right, let's read and solve this one. Amy finished cleaning her room at 5:50. If she had started cleaning at 4:10, how long did it take her to clean her room? So I'm going to label my number line at 4:10, and then I need to label 5:50. Now I need to figure out how long did she clean her room. So the first thing I'm going to do is count my hours. I have 1 hour. Now I need to count my minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So it was 1 hour and 40 minutes would be my answer. All right, let's read this one. Frank's father spent 3 hours and 20 minutes working on his truck. If it was 5:20 when he stopped working, what time was it when he originally started? So this one is giving me a stop time or an end time. So I'm going to label 5:20 as my end time. Finish labeling my number line. And then count back 3 hours and 20 minutes. So I count 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and now 20 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20. So he started working on his dad's truck at 2 o'clock. Let's try one more. Rachel went out shopping at 3:10. If she got back home 1 hour and 20 minutes later, what time was it when she got home? So it gives us a start time of 3:10. We label our number line. And we count 1 hour and 20 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20. So they got home at 4:30. And 4:30 would be your answer. All right, boys and girls, today you have 4 clocks to tell me what time it is and 4 elapsed time questions. Today is a quiz. I am making sure that you understand how to tell time and how to determine the elapsed time, start time, end time. Please take your time and do your very best. Have a great day.